hands down, this is one of my like top 5, top 10 moments in this country, man. I love Thailand so much. Guys, the first time I ever shot a gun, you guys know in that Bangkok episode, but they didn't allow me to record because it was like a law enforced place. I don't know, dude. I think they were like, it was almost like a military type of place. I don't know, man, but I'm glad they let us record in here at the Pattaya shooting range. I can't exactly remember the name, but had lots of fun. Kuya, AP, and I, you know, we split I'm pretty sure we split the price on this one. Dude, like, that shotgun, man, I'm just skipping through the video right now. But shooting that shotgun, bro, oh my goodness, man. It was sick, man. It was just badass. Like, honestly, I can still feel that feeling of holding a gun, man. It's just like, you know what I mean? Like, you get the chills in a way. But enjoy this video, guys. If you guys are ever in Thailand, man, give this a try. Or if you ever get the chance to shoot a gun, of course with safety, but, you know, at the appropriate times, but give it a try, man. All right? Yeah, one of my best moments. And I'm just, excuse me. Like, it was a little bit pricey, but I think it's still cheaper than if you were to go in North America and probably do it here. But just awesome, man. Okay, so we just arrived at the shooting range. This is much nicer than the places that I went to, much bigger too. Man, that set, guys, is crazy. That 32,000 one and that 54,000 one, that's crazy. You want to get a big one and split it, you said?
Yeah.
What are you thinking? Honestly, bro, I'm looking more, if we're splitting, I'm thinking more so here, bro.
The cheapest one is way up. So, a lot.
Yeah, that's true, that's a lot.
Should we get one set? And then one shotgun? So, set special 2, one shotgun. Count that. I want the AK.
$500, dude. I know, but I'm just calculating. Oh shit! That one's pretty good too.
What's half of that?
30 something. So that's 280.
So how much is that in Canadian?
Huh?
How much is that in Canadian?
Total?
Yeah, no, 370 in Canadian. 370.
I think that one looks pretty good, dude.
You want that one?
I have enough. I don't know about you.
I have enough.
But let's keep.
Let's just double check.
Yeah. Oh, guys, these ones look so sick, bro. I think on my last day I'm gonna ball out with that shit. I'm gonna have to ball out with that shit, bro. Or at least one of these, bro. It's crazy.
Or we can just do this one. Both of us buy our own set 2.
Yeah?
Our own set 2 each.
What do you think? No, that one's it's 4 and 4 guns, so.
Yeah. So boys will have a whole 4 for each.
But if we split it, like let's say 25 rounds, half of that is like 12, 13, then we get like.
Can we share? We share one gun, share.
One gun, 25 minutes, you share half.
Yeah, half, yeah. Yeah, we get more rounds. Oh no, well the shotgun is 10. So.
That's enough, high five.
Yeah.
25 rounds each. Let me not down. Just get down?
Yeah.
I'll get the...
Yeah, these are 3 pistols. That one is... Yo, I'm hyped.
Credit card?
Huh?
I'll just use credit card.
Yeah, up to you.
Would you like to pay cash?
You have credit card? Yeah.
ที่มาดูเรื่องคือเอาเข้าบริษัทโรงงานเพราะว่าอันนี้เขาก็ไม่ได้ใส่ของบริษัท
Can we split the 7.5?
3750 3750
เอาลูกครึ่งหนึ่งเอาที่มีเครดิตเอาหารกับเพื่อนคนละครึ่งวันนี้1 บาทคนละ1,500
Look at the AK right there. AK. Guys, this range looks really freaking good, man. Yeah, the last place that I went to, I'm pretty sure it was like military or something. Yo, you gotta record me, yo. We're done right there. Let me go.
Okay.
How's that? Just record you. Huh? Record the video.
Take a picture of that.
You want to record?
America. Okay. My brother's turn now. The kickback is not bad at all, man. That has like no kickback.
No?
No kickback, bro.
Okay, record with your phone.
Huh?
Record me.
Yeah.
OK。打过的去缅甸打，去美国打过。去缅甸打。
Want to take a picture of me? Oh. Up to you. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We got 2 hits on. It's pretty light, eh?
Yeah, it's pretty light.
Pretty light, and there's like no kick. Yeah. That thing is a lot of stuff.
You got that too. Where did you put yours?
I don't know.
OK。
What? At the block. How strong was that? Huh? How strong? I got it. How strong is that?
Pretty strong, yeah. Pretty strong.
Record me too, record me.
Dude, that first shot? That first shot?
Yeah.
Shit, we're flying, right?
Yeah. Is it strong? Really strong?
Not really, but it's fucking
loud.
strong though when you shoot.
Oh shit.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, it felt stronger than the rifle. Pretty good. One more.
เหลือ4-5พี่เนี่ยพี่ต้นอ่ะ
How do you feel about that? How do you feel about that?
That was pretty strong.
Yeah, right? I think it's stronger than a rifle. Yeah. I think the next is revolver. Revolver?
Yeah. Was that a Glock? I think that was the gun.
Pretty sure, yeah. Oh, it's not a revolver.
What is it?
It's brother, what gun is that? Oh, it's a Colt.
Colt?
It's a Colt? Shit, it's a Colt. Hey.
นี่9พี่เอาพี่พี่โบพี่โบ
I think it's... Huh? Feels better than the guac.
Is it?
Yeah. I think we got one more. One more, right?
Yeah, shotgun. Huh?
Shotguns are so strong.
Is it really strong?
Yeah, dude. At least the one I. Guys, I shot that Remington. Holy frick, man. That thing gave me a bruise, you know?
It did?
Yeah, I posted on my story. It gave me a freaking bruise right here.
Send me a shotgun.
That thing's huge.
That's a shotgun.
Huge.
Yeah.
Holy fuck. You feel that?
Yeah, I felt that. It's in my ear. Yeah. Imagine no without this.
It's a fucking bazooka, man.
That hurts.
If I hold that thing, it's gonna go.
Did he feel it?
That was nerve-wracking, man. is crazy, bro.
It's too much packing.
The kickback.
Ours? That's ours.
Yeah. You wanna go first?
I'll go. Yo, get Mark.
Okay.
Go, boy. Get it. Good. How was that?
I think.
Oh yeah, take a photo of you. How's your phone? Can you record with your phone?
That thing fucking.
Shit.
Okay.
Oh shit. Just strong, man. Fucking hey. One more. Happy New Year.
Good.
Brother, can we take a picture? Yeah.
I'll come picture.
Okay, guys, that was it.
Dude, that was sick, bro. Fuck. Damn.
You hear that? It's so loud. It's like clack, 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 clack.
So that shotgun.
Yeah, no, the shotgun's crazy, man.
Wait, that was the most accurate for me though. Shotgun.
I don't think it's as bad as the rest.
See our bullets.
I can't remember which is which. Is it yours?
No. The rifle was the hardest to aim. I couldn't hit anything.
Yeah, I like the shotgun though.
Shotgun was good.
I can't remember which gun is which, guys. But that's that right there. Oh, yes, shots were pretty accurate.
This one was the call.
But your shots were pretty accurate.
Did he get a shotgun?
Huh?
Did he give us the shotgun one? No, wait, there's no shotgun.
Oh yeah, there's no shotgun. Yeah, shotgun though. Yeah, make sure you guys check this place out though, man. Pattaya. Check out Battle Mouse Range. Pattaya. Nice place. Staff members are cool too. Hey guys, so we are leaving now. Got more people.
Got some people in
But pretty solid experience, man.
after driving.
That's it. Once again, Battle Mouse shooting range in
Not bad, not bad.
Pattaya. Very nice.
Will you be here? I bumped it.
Bruh.
May card AK.
Thank you. Okay, man.
The Draco, bro.
Yeah, that one's sick right there.
I wanted this.
Yeah, honestly.
I wanted. I don't have this one.
Once again, Battle Mouse shooting.
Yes, sir.
Let's make sure that. Let's do this shit. Did I leave anything? Pattaya, check it out. Thank you. Thank you. Top and top. Check it out, guys. Battle Mouse. This is the
Is this our
entrance.
thing?
Yeah. Yes. Sawadee. Okay.